Hey guys, it's Michael. I wanted to run something by you guys today. Uh, thought occurred to me. First, let me say this: this post is not intended to be political in any way. Okay, let's don't even go there. Um, but a thought occurred to me the other day, and not a lot of people are talking about it. Okay, so um, I've got a cruise planned for February. I know a lot of people have cruises planned coming up. And we really don't know what to expect. What's going to be canceled, what's going to be rescheduled, what's going to happen. But anyway, it did occur to me my cruise coming up in February. We all going to be vaccinated by then, those who want it. Is COVID going to be gone? Is it still going to be around? But anyway, here's my thought. I'm sure for a while at least, all of the cruise lines are going to have some sort of mask policy, I would think, of some kind. Now, what? I don't know. But what if, the cruise lines come out and say, okay, anytime you're not in your cabin, you need to have your mask on. Wow. I just hadn't thought about that. And it's not that I don't want to wear it. It's just, think about it. On a cruise, most of us never have. And a lot of places that the cruise ship goes, it's kind of warm. The Caribbean or whatever. Unless you're going to Alaska, it's pretty warm. Now, I know most of the time the ship's moving. And there's a breeze, And honestly, it isn't the end of the world. So here's my question. If that is posed and it says, hey, you got to have that mask on, is that a deal breaker for you guys? Or are you okay with that? I'm just curious, really. Cruising with a mask kind of does beat not cruising at all, I do want to be safe and all like that. So, and I'm not saying I wouldn't want to do it. I'm just asking what other people think. It wouldn't be the best thought in the world, and it ain't my first choice. But yeah, I think I'd be okay with it, honestly. Wouldn't want to, but if it has to be, it has to be. So, guys, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Again, it's not political in any way. It's just, what do you think? What's your thoughts? All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.